Hi guys, so today we're going to do a triangle of right angles. So for here, we had three things that we can use to solve this problem. We had sine, cos, and tan, and we had the types of how to solve the question, which is SOHCAHTOA. So for here, let's do a little bit questions. Sally and Mark was picking an apple, and 22 meters away from them, a tall tree has a big apple at the top, which is 60 degrees from them. So Mark decided to climb up the tree. How tall does Mark need to climb up the tree? So for here, as we all know that we're going to use TOA because we're solving for opposite and adjacent. So the step would be 10, the angle, and then the opposite and the 22. Always remember that whichever comes first, it's going to be at the top, and whichever comes last, it's going to be at the bottom. So this is at the bottom, which is the adjacent. So for the second step, we're also doing cross multiplying, except we're going to do it differently because this one we had to write at the bottom one which represent the x. So for here, tan the angle, and then which is multiplied by 22 and 1 multiplied by x. And now we had to rearrange this into here for the final step. For here, we had tan 60 times 22. So for here, we're just going to leave it blank since we don't know the answer. And for here, we're going to solve it like this. 10, the angle, multiply by the adjacent, cos 38.3. No, 38.1. So yeah. So therefore, the tree that Mark needs to climb up is 38 meters. And let's do some different questions. So for our next questions, it's gonna be different answer for sure, and different signs that we're going to use. The Bridge Park is known for its highest and longest slides throughout the entire park, with a height of 12 feet with an angle of 50 degrees. How long is the slide? So for here, I made this a little bit diagram from here showing the height, the hypotenuse, and the angle. So for here, we're going to, as we all know, we're going to use saw, right? Which is sine. So sine opposite hypotenuse. This one is just like the formula. Next, we had to rearrange this to sine degree. So the same thing is like on cross multiplying, 1 represent for x, and then 12 and for hypotenuse x. There you go. And now we're going to do like a cross multiplying, but we're not gonna multiply this because we're going to divide this. And next step, we're going to rearrange this into sine 50 degree, because we need to cross out the degree in order to solve just using the height and the hypotenuse. Sine 50. So this one both cross out together, and then for at the side, we're gonna left with x over 12, and then sine 50. And last step, it's gonna be x, because we're solving it. So it's gonna be 12 divided by sine 50. So what's gonna be the final answer is gonna be 12. It's gonna be 15 meters. It's gonna be 15 meters, yeah. So this is gonna be the final answer.